Today, I stand before you, the king of Ayodhya, to share the story of my life. I have been blessed with a prosperous kingdom, loyal subjects, and a loving gratitude by Queen Kaushanya. Sumitra, Kapil, and Kai have brought immense joy and happiness into my life. However, as years pass, a deep longing grew within me to have a son who would rule this kingdom. The gods have not failed. My heart filled with joy when the news of the birth of my son reached me first with Mom. Next, get Paris. Followed by Lakshman and Satyajit. As they grew, I witnessed their childhood antics and the acts of war, government, and the rapidly and job.
আচ্ছা তাড়াতাড়ি যাও কি জিজ্ঞেস করো
My eldest son will succeed me. So I announced his Rajyabhishek. But soon I was reminded of a promise I made to Kaikri. Many years ago, Queen Kaikri had saved my life. And in return, I promised her two wishes whenever she wanted. She was poisoned by me. To use those wishes now. When I'm about to announce Ram as the king, Kaikri said she wished to have Bharat and sent Ram to live in the forest for 14 years. What happened to Nandini?
My son is going away from me. Is it fair? What is his fault?
Why are you doing this?
My son should be the king. And you cannot refuse me, Maharaj Dashrath. It was you who
promise me 2 wishes, and I want to see my bloodline. Do you really want this, Kai? The thought of my son living away from me shackles. Pitaji, don't worry. Kai Maya, I will do as you say. My lord, please take me with you. No, Sita, I can't. How can I live for 14 years without you? Yes, dear, please let us go with you. Lakshman, I want you to take care of Pitaji and Maya in my absence. Priya, the children are there to take care of them. Please let us go with you. Okay, Lakshman, if you insist, you can come along.
Maya, you are the rightful heir to the throne. No one can take away from you.
Priya, please don't leave. I'll speak to Maya. I don't want to be the king. If you leave, I'll leave the throne empty for you. Bharat, Shatrughan, don't worry. 14 years will pass in no time. Take care of Pitaji and Maya.
Maharaj Dashrath, Ram is your eldest son, the heir to the throne, has forever carried out his duties sincerely. Today as well, he went into exile without any purpose. I hope you will like the devotion of my son.
Ram, Sita and Lakshman were amazed by the beauty of Panchvati. He thought of building an ashram here. They were quite happy. They would do their chores and remember their childhood days. One day, a woman named Surpanakha came to the ashram. She liked Ram and asked him to marry her.
Well, I live here. In the Shami forest. You should marry me. I am the princess of Nanda. I can't marry. I'm already married to Sita. Sita? Who's Sita? You should leave her and marry me. My brother Rama is the most powerful king. He will give you a big kingdom. I'm really sorry. I love my wife.
Surpanakha tries to attack Sita in rage as she feels insulted. To protect Sita, Lakshman drew his sword and chops Surpanakha's nose.
कृतं वाक्कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणजयरजं वा मानसं वापराधं विहितं विहितं वा सर्वमेतक्षवस् जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो शिवस्य भक्तगणाः युक्तोऽहं शक्तोऽहं स्वयमेव देवः मैं रावण हूँ लंकाधिप रक्षराज शिव भक्त महान 10 शीशों में ज्ञान भरे मेरी दृष्टि अमर वरदान शिव तांडव मैं रचता स्वयं नद मेरा गूंजे त्रैलोक्या मेरी जटाओं में अग्नि बहे मेरा वाक्य स्वयं है श्लोक अहम रावण न भूतो न भविष्यति यो योधा यो राजा यो भक्त सर्वोत्तम अहमस्मि अहम रावणं न भूतो न भविष्यति यो योधा यो राजा यो भक्त सर्वोत्तम अहमस्मि
Your sister, the princess of Lanka, has been humiliated and put to death. I went to the forest and saw Ram, his brother Lakshman, and wife Sita. I liked Ram. When I offered my hand to Ram, he refused me because he's married to the beautiful Sita. This is what Lakshman did. I demand justice.
How dare he? He has not harmed my sister. He has insulted me and our entire family. I will avenge this insult. Wait and watch. Ram, you and the entire family will pay for what you have done.
After hours, when Ram did not return, Sita was worried. Hours later, Sita heard a loud cry in Ram's voice. She was scared and worried.
Lakshman, I feel your bhaiya is in danger. please go look for him.
I cannot leave you alone, Bhabhi.
But you also have to care for him, don't you? Please go check on him. I will be fine.
Okay, Bhabhi. But I have one condition. I will promise Lakshman Rekha. It will protect you from all evil. Do not step out of it, or else you will never forget me.
Okay, Lakshman, I won't. Now please go.
Sita was waiting very eagerly for Ram and Lakshman to return.
I am very hungry. Can you please give me some food?
Of course. Why not? I will bring some. Please wait.
Sita was kind and helpful and hence offered the food from her side of the line.
This is not the way to offer the food. You have to step out of this line and come and give it to me in a person.
No, I cannot step over Lakshman Rekha.
But if you do not step over, how will I get the food? I will be very hungry and keeping us like hungry Nasi. Now you think.
Filled with guilt, Sita had one leg in and the other out. She was thinking if she should take her second leg out or not, but she finally decided to completely step out of line for the sake of humanity. Immediately, Ravan captured Sita.
Sita sat for days in Ashok Vatika, Ravana's beautiful garden, crying and waiting for Sri Ram to come and rescue her.
हो जन्म जन्म की खोज बताए, राम से चल के राम पे आए। प्रेम कोई हमें और न जाने, राम से रूठे राम से माने। राम सिया की करुण कहानी, एक है चंदन एक है पानी। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम
have faith in your prayer. You are the wife of Purushottam Ram. He will save you. Your grief shall end soon.
No, Mother, I am Hanuman. I have come here to save you. Liar, I don't know you. Let me show the ring that Rama asked me to give you. I was waiting for this day. Please tell Ram how much I miss him. But before leaving, let me show Lanka how powerful Ram is. Hanuman went from tree to tree eating all the juicy berries to trouble the guards so that they would catch him. Catch him now! As soon as the guards heard the order, they ran after Hanuman. He pretended to be scared. The guards tied him up and took him to Ravan's palace. You demon king, apologize to Ram and save your life.
Ha ha ha! Apologize never! See how we set your tail on fire. Go and tell Ram I am waiting to fight with him.
Soon after, Hanuman's tail was set on fire. He jumped from house to house, setting Lanka on fire. I think Lord Ram is waiting for me. I shall go back to Sugriv. Ram and Lakshman were eagerly waiting for Hanuman to return. Lakshman was a little impatient and worried. I wonder where Hanuman is. It's in a wall. Magic. When they wrote Sri Ram's name on the stone, it started floating. Everyone wrote Ram, Ram, Ram on every stone and put them in the ocean to make a big long bridge. Lakshman and Hanuman, along with the monkey army, finally completed building the bridge with these magical stones and comfortably managed to cross the vast sea.
I'm going to destroy you. Ha ha ha. Look at me. I am 10 heads and 10 times stronger than you. Ha ha ha.
I don't need that. I don't need that. I'm going to destroy you, Ravan.
In this way, the demon king Ravan met his ultimate downfall at the hands of Sri Ram with the help of his loyal brother Lakshman and Hanuman. They got Sita Maya back to Ayodhya. The day Ram and Lakshman came back to Ayodhya with Sita Maya, it was celebrated in a magnanimous way. They were welcomed by Bharat, who waited for Ram to sit on the throne of Ayodhya.
It's time to reverse. Dark days are over now.
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजु मन हरु भय दारुण नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुण
भगवान के अवतार का केवल नहीं गुणगान है, कैसे नारायण बने नर इसका पावन ज्ञान है।
सिया राम सिया राम सिया राम सिया राम सिया राम सिया राम सिया